12 winter marketing tactics to book cleaning jobs even in the middle of winter. I have given you this winter marketing plan. And so now what I want to do is break down what I think 12 of the most profitable, lower costs, some of them even free costs for doing marketing even in the middle of winter that can indeed book cleaning jobs. So let's get right into it. Number one, first and foremost, I will always say that you should first mail something in the mail and talk to your past clients. And the best way to do that is going to be with a sales letter. A letter in the mail is going to always respond better than an email, than a text, than almost anything. So send a letter in the mail, first and foremost. We've got lots of different versions inside of the ad club, anywhere from versions specifically for hardwood, for tile, for area rug cleaning, which, by the way, guys, in areas where it's snowy, that might be your best bet for getting jobs booked. If people don't want to book carpet cleaning jobs, they're definitely going to be more willing, especially if you give them a good offer, to book hard floor and area rug jobs, because it's not something that you're going to have the door open with. You're going to go in and clean, and you're going to bring it back to them, or you're going to clean it with the door closed because it's hard floor. I've got members that have used these letters that I'm talking about that have gotten 5,000 to 1 returns and stayed super busy in the middle of winter. So yes, a letter. Secondarily, a postcard. Number 2, if you don't send a letter, send a postcard. Or if you don't want to bother with sending a letter, send a postcard. Something to wish them Happy New Year. Something to just stay in front of them. The 2 times of year, and right now being the biggest, that I recommend sending the best special offer is January, February, and maybe back to school if you're slow then. And if you're not slow right now, you're probably not even watching this video, right? So if you need something to get jobs coming in, clients coming back, this is one of the best bets. Your past clients are the people most likely to use you again because they've used you before. They already like you, love you, and know you. Yes, send something to them. Now, third, I recommend that you possibly do a Google Ads campaign. And it doesn't have to be an expensive one. It doesn't have to be a big one. It could be something either localized in one zip code or even 1 or 2 neighborhoods. It could be something for a smaller service that you do that's high dollar value, like area rug cleaning, like hardwood floor, like even maybe water damage restoration if pipes are freezing. We'll talk a little bit about that more in just a minute. But yes, do a Google AdWords campaign. If done right, Google AdWords campaigns can often get 10 to 1 returns on investment, 20 to 1 returns on investment. Google AdWords campaigns can be great. So number 4, I recommend that you do something and get in and post to your Google My Business page, where you go in and first check the page. Here's a link in the report that you should also have with this video. Check your Google My Business page, make sure everything's accurate, but also, 2, get in and make a post on that page. Anytime you do that, it tends to boost your ranking just a little bit. So number 5, send an email newsletter to past clients. So not only a postcard and a letter, but also an email newsletter. Email newsletters are great for the people who like to receive emails. So hopefully you've been collecting email addresses. Yes, now's the time to send them something wishing them Happy New Year, getting in front of them, and really even giving them the same offer that you gave them in that letter and in that postcard that you sent them out. Number 6, work on getting more Google reviews. The more Google reviews you get, the higher ranking that you usually get, and the more credibility that you can get when you mention that you have hundreds of Google reviews. Wouldn't you sound better if you said we have 100 5-star reviews versus if you said we have 5? Or if your client looks you up, which they do, by the way, and you have 150 versus 20, right? Work on getting Google reviews. Right now, if you're slower, now's a great time. Email all your past clients. You can go into your Google My Business profile and actually get a direct link to send them, where you can have them go directly to your Google My Business page to do that review and create that post. Also, create a killer special offer. Hopefully that same special offer that you sent out in that postcard and that letter, turn around and do that same special offer on Facebook, Google My Business, all over social media, any platform that you have. Post that special offer all over the place, all over your social media. Also, 2, create a YouTube video. Guys, there's people that I know, Courtney Lee is one of them, but also other guys who do really, really well with YouTube videos. Start creating YouTube videos. Now's a great time. You're slow. Build up that YouTube channel. Create videos of you cleaning, of you just talking about your system, client testimonials, whatever, but start creating those videos and start building up that channel. People will start to notice you, and then you'll kind of be, you want to be like the celebrity, right? The movie star on YouTube in your city. Well, YouTube's a great way to do that, right? Get on there and start making those videos now. So another thing, clean cash certificates, gift cards, gift vouchers, things like that, gift vouchers to be able to go out, gift cards, and give to people like realtors, flooring retailers, interior designers. Here's the other thing too, guys. Not only are you slow, but so are a lot of those people who you do business with that are in the position to refer you. So even if they may or may not have a ton of jobs to give you right now, now's a good time to start planting seeds for the future. So yes, create those gift cards, create those vouchers, and give those to realtors. They love them. Interior designers love them. Carpet retailers love them. Flooring retailers love them. Even insurance adjusters, sometimes there's sometimes a little bit of a harder case, but you can get in with them as well and create relationships with well. Now is the time to do that. So do that right now. Number 10, send letters out to prime commercial prospects. This is a letter that we sent out to plumbers in your area. If pipes are freezing, now's a great time to do that. Even if that's not the case, now's a great time again. You have the time. Start creating that foundation for those relationships with plumbers. Also, too, if you'd like to, just for other commercial, create lists of doctors, lawyers, office professionals, big offices, and send them letters to prime the pump. Some of them right now are even starting to plan their cleaning schedule and their budgeting for that right now. You want to be in there. Don't just sit back, relax, and do nothing. And the best case that I recommend to do for commercial marketing is to mail them something in the mail and then follow that mailing with either a phone call and then ideally even a personal visit. And why do you mail them something first? Why don't you just show up? Well, you want to be a welcomed guest. You want to even precede yourself with a good attention getting letter. So yes, do that. Create those special offers. Go out and talk to those commercial prospects. Also, an EDDM campaign. Now, you don't need to, maybe this time of year, do a huge campaign all over the city, but maybe a localized campaign in a certain small couple of areas that you know are good areas to market to and good high-end areas. EDDM can be really good, and you can even do it for a couple $100. Very, very small amount. Get in and repeatedly market to that same neighborhood. After you send out the EDDM postcard, go ahead and even do a flyer, even take that same EDDM when you have time and walk around and put it on doorknobs even after you send the EDDM out. But EDDM campaigns are great to get into high-end neighborhoods. And last, number 12, send a voicemail blast or text message to your past clients. This isn't something that you want to do all the time, but this is something, especially this time of year, that can be great. Now, here's really the key to that. Don't just send a voicemail blast blasting your special offer, right? You want to send them something saying, Happy New Year. This is Mike with Premium Carpet Care. I just wanted to let you know that we're here for you and to see if you had any questions or needed anything. And when you do that, it's more of a Happy New Year message, really is the way you want to word that, than it is a sales solicitation, although it kind of is, and they even sort of understand it. But the big thing is you're wishing them a Happy New Year. Again, that's not something that you want to do often, 2-3 times a year tops. But this time of year, if you need to, might be a great time to do that. So there you have it, 12 low-cost things that you can do for marketing even in the middle of winter. Now, we have templates for all of these postcards, gift cards, vouchers, EDDM. We can help you print them. We can get them designed for you. We can even mail them out for you. We have options for doing all of this. That's what we do in the Ad Coaching Club. We have email newsletter templates, and right now we've even got some special bonuses where we have software where we can give you for, well, you can use it for scheduling, but you can also use it for sending out those emails and sending out those text messages. You don't need constant contact. You don't need any other platform. This can do all of it for you, and you get it for free in the Ad Club, and you keep it for free as long as you're part of the Ad Club. That is a special bonus we have going on right now. That bonus is going to be ending, and actually in just a little bit, the price for the Ad Club is going to be going up. So now is a great time to get in the Ad Club. If you're in whenever those things, bonuses go away and the prices go up, you still stay in at the regular price that you get, that you already are in at. And you also get to keep whatever bonuses that we currently have. So if we have the bonus of the software, you never have to pay for the software, although later on others will pay more for that software. So Go to www.hitmanadvertising.com/coaching. If you have any questions, shoot me an email back. If you've got any emails from me, you can reply back to any of those emails. Ask me. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you've got. I'm here to help you have a great 2022.